Good morning students. In today's class, we are going to study about the topic causes for the downfall of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte was one of the greatest ruler who ruled over France. He came to power in 1799 as the first consul, and his coronation ceremony was held in the year 1804 AD, and he became the Emperor of France. He ruled till 1815 AD. He ruled very effectively by using his power, his military strength, etc. And he was a very genius. And because of that, he rose to the power of an emperor. But finally, his rule came to an end. Here we have various reasons for the end of Napoleon's rule. Here Napoleon was a genius, but his over-ambition, pride and self-centered nature ruined him in the end. Napoleonic Empire depended only on his military strength. He built a strong army. His army consisted of soldiers belonging to different nationalities who did not have any attachment to the empire. The rise of nationalism against the Napoleonic Empire was another factor that led to his downfall. 19th century in Europe witnessed the rise of nationalism. Many countries started their fight against the foreign rule, and they tried to unite on the basis of nationalistic spirits. So the spirit of nationalism, which initially started in Spain, later on spread to Austria, Prussia, Russia, etc. The rise of nationalism finally leading to the War of Liberation. War of Liberation was started in many countries, and those War of Liberations were also proved very harmful to Napoleon's rule. Another greatest reason for the downfall of Napoleon was the introduction of continental system. Napoleon introduced the continental system in Europe in order to defeat England. When he failed to defeat England by waging wars or through wars, he introduced economic blockade or economic warfare against England. And this warfare ruined Napoleon's power completely. That is one of the greatest blunder which was committed by Napoleon Bonaparte. To enforce his continental system, he had to adopt a policy of open aggression. Means he led a number of wars in order to implement his continental system in European continent. And this system was purely introduced by Napoleon Bonaparte against England. That is the economic warfare. In the beginning, many European countries accepted the terms and conditions of continental system and also became the members of that system. But later, when they faced heavy losses, these European countries came out of the continental system, and they started their economic activities with England. So Napoleon waged many wars to implement his continental system. So here when he waged number of wars against European nations in order to implement his continental system, all those wars were resulted in weakening the strength and power of Napoleon Bonaparte. The introduction of continental system proved more harmful to Napoleon than England. Finally, the system resulted in his downfall. Here, one of the main reasons for the downfall of Napoleon Bonaparte was the introduction of continental system. His another mistake was his attempt to place his own brother on the throne of Spanish. Here, Spaniards were faced a civil war, and when that civil war was started, Napoleon Bonaparte interfered in that war, and finally he also placed his brother Joseph Bonaparte on the throne of Spain. This roused the national spirit of the Spaniards, and this also evoked a corresponding sense of national patriotism in other countries. The national resistance which he experienced in Spain, Prussia, Russia resulted in the downfall of Napoleon. Then another cause for his fall is the Russian expedition or Moscow campaign. When Russia opposed the terms and conditions of the continental system, Napoleon led an expedition against Russia. Here the grand army of Napoleon was reduced to pieces during the Russian campaign. And here the Russian campaign was ill-fated one that ruined the army of Napoleon. Here Napoleon's army lost more than 3 lakh soldiers because of bad weather. Moscow campaign of Napoleon Bonaparte gave an opportunity to his enemies. In Moscow campaign or in his Russian campaign, Napoleon was failed to prove his abilities. So his enemies for the fourth time came together and formed the fourth coalition. That is, his enemies means here Prussia, Austria, Russia, England, etc. All these nations formed the fourth coalition against Napoleon, and they also defeated Napoleon at different places. So here the Russian campaign ruined the powers of Napoleon Bonaparte or ruined his armed forces completely. Then another reason for his downfall is the harsh treatment of the Pope or the ill treatment of the Pope. Why Napoleon was not supportive to the Pope? Because the Pope was refused to accept the terms of continental system. When Napoleon was ill-treated, the Pope, this antagonized the Roman Catholics throughout Europe. In 1809 AD, Napoleon seized the papal territories. He also transformed the seat of papacy to Paris because the Pope had refused to observe the continental system. This is also one of the cause for his downfall. Then another reason for the fall of Napoleon was the continued opposition of England. Its undisputed supremacy on the sea and the ability of its commanders like Admiral Nelson and General Wellesley also contributed much towards the fall of Napoleon Bonaparte. Here England was very superior in its naval base. On the other hand, Napoleon's navy was very weak. Then its commanders like Admiral Nelson and General Wellesley, they were also responsible for ending the rule of Napoleon Bonaparte. Here it is also to be noted that Napoleon's navy and his powers were not so powerful when compared to the powers of England. Then another reason for his fall is the friends and relatives of Napoleon who enjoyed the favors when he was at the zenith of power. But betrayed him in the end. Means here his relatives and friends, they were also betrayed Napoleon when he became weak. Napoleon continued to believe till the end that he was a man of destiny. He was a man of destiny, but everything turned against him in the end. Here his self-centered nature, his pride, his over-ambitions, etc. were finally ruined the power of Napoleon Bonaparte. So all these were the different causes which were responsible for the downfall of Napoleon Bonaparte. Thank you, students.